Hi. Look, I'm in the olden days. I think it's Christmas. That's the day when everybody is sad because the Easter Bunny came and killed their pet fishes. I had a pet fish. His name was Monster. He was 1 inch long. It makes me sad. The Easter Bunny is mean. I am going to get revenge. I like trees. They make paper and carbon monoxide. There is a teepee behind me. I think they are Indian bathrooms because it has the word pee in it. I don't know what animal I am. I think I am a cow. I wish I was a striped monkey. Then I could swing from the trees and knock down the other striped monkeys. I like to point at things. See? I am mad at my brother because he is a smart Alex. His name is Alex. I don't like his name. It is short for Alexander, which sounds like salamander, and a salamander is a yucky slimy thing. My favorite song is Tinkle Tinkle Little Car. It's about a car that tinkles. I will sing it. Tinkle tinkle little car. How I want you to steal my star. Up above peeing so high. Bye.